see if we can make it out of where am I? CMTF, doing a laser experiment out here, helping a scientist. It's called G-Quest. Oh, of course. So getting over here, you gotta come down this friggin' gravel road, right? So I was like, oh geez. Yeah, that was fun. So we'll just be super careful. Wide turn, no sharp turns. There we go. This building in front of us is called SIDET, the Silicon Detector. That's where my boss works. He works on, he's a scientist, and ooh, washboard. Oh god, it's all washboardy. He does experiments with they call it the pixel strip telescope. Pretty interesting. All the experiments around here are pretty interesting. This G-Quest is like basically in a closet, right? It's literally a closet. So we're just going over the they call it the ORC, operational readiness check. So we met with the laser safety officers, and you know, it's a whole process. So I gotta get access to the building, and I need keys for the laser closet. So work's over now. It's Friday, so we're gonna bomb back to my building and get the heck out of here, get the weekend started. It'll be fun. So yeah, definitely Securita, definitely doing something interesting. So but yeah, so alright guys, we'll see you later unless something happens on the way home. Alright, easy. Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. We're gonna get some work to do. Doing some pretty interesting work as of late. We're gonna go over to the place called the Holometer, and I'm helping a guy deconstruct it, take it apart. We're gonna use some of the stuff in this G-Quest experiment that I'm working on. So we're gonna go over to another site here, another building on site, and start taking this thing apart. Just down the street from where I'm at. It's at a place called, I think it's MW Worm. I gotta be careful. It's kind of gravelly over here too. It's gravelly everywhere. So yeah, maybe I'll grab some pictures or something of what we're taking apart. It's like beam pipe and adapters, all sorts of stuff. So the kind of on the right here, not this building, that's they call it the test beam area. It's this little trailer right over there. So I'm gonna go a little bit further and come in where it's not gravelly, right up here. I think we get there's some kind of colloquium or something. Somebody's meeting somebody, so looks like I might get a free lunch today. Sweet. Love free lunch. And of course the roads and grounds is out here mowing the lawn. Oh, my hay fever's been going crazy. Wonder why. right over here. We'll roll in here. I don't see this guy yet. He's not here yet. Stank. Everything stinks. So, yeah, I guess I have to wait till everybody else shows up. But I'll snap some pictures with my phone. So, all right, guys, we'll see you a little later. All right, easy. Hey everybody. Alright, done working out at the kilometer for now. Go grab some free lunch. Scientist is buying, so you know I'm eating. And then head back over to my building for the afternoon. Let's see, we got Wilson Hall in front of us here. Alright everybody, we'll see you on the next one. This was fun. Just riding around and doing some hard work. Some of these little satellite, I was working in a tunnel, so we'll see you on the next one, alright? Easy. Tell you guys, I'm beat. Working in these cramped conditions over there sucks. Go back over to my building, relax for a minute. Almost time to go home. This is the new ERC building. My whole group is moving over here. I'm probably gonna get an office over there or something. I don't know. We'll see. I wish all the roads here were like this, just freshly done. Most alive this place has been in a while. It's usually a graveyard here. They finally fixed the road over here, whatever they were doing. parking spot. Hopefully. Let's sneak in here. Ah, yeah. I'll just take my spot. Shh, don't tell anybody I don't have my Fermi sticker. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one, alright? Easy.